Hello, my amazing, gorgeous babes, and welcome back to the Bad Bitch Academy. It's your girl, Amber the Baddie, and I am here to give you a loving smack in the ass so you can get your sexy booty back to work. I've been hearing so much from you that y'all are feeling unmotivated, burnt out, lazy, some anxiety around going to work at the strip club, which is ultimately just holding you back from making a shit ton more money. So these affirmations are perfect if you are feeling like you don't need to go to work, but you want to, and you know that you just need to get a little more excitement in order to feel ready and to feel happy going back. So let's take a couple of nice deep breaths here. Nice deep inhales and full exhales. And you just have to repeat after me. I am a bad bitch. And I am a sexy ass stripper. I love being a stripper. But I've been feeling resistance when it comes to going to work. I've been feeling lazy and unmotivated. I much rather chill at home and hang out with my friends or go on a date. And it's been hard to want to go to work. I've been feeling anxious before work, not knowing if it's going to be another bad night. But I am choosing to let that go. I am letting go of any negative energy around going to work. Because the bottom line is that I love dancing. Yes, I love the money, but the strip club is my safe haven, where I get to fully express my sensuality. I get to flirt and tease and look sexy and be dirty and meet awesome customers and see my friends at work and have so much fun. I have so much fun at work. I feel so free at work. Like I can truly be myself and make a shit ton of money doing so. So I am letting go of any blocks. I am going to go to work and not focus on the money, but focus on having fun. Focus on tapping into my feminine, sensual energy. And when I go to work in this energy, I make so much money. When I go to work with the intention to have fun and to be my full self, I meet the best customers, the most amazing customers, and they are coming into the club to see me today. They are going to be hot and fun and respectful and tip me so much money, and work is going to be effortless. The money will come as soon as I walk in the door. The second they see me, they know they want me instantly. Fuck, I can feel the money already. I can feel it flowing in my direction. But in order to receive the money, I have to go to work. So I'm gonna stop being a lazy bitch and get my sexy ass to work and have the time of my life while also making $1,000 or more. I can feel that I'm going to make so much fucking money. I'm going to make another $15,000 this month. All I have to do is go to work. I trust that this money is coming to me. I trust that it's going to be fun and easy. And I am excited for it. I am so ready to see another $15K in my bank account. So fuck yes, I want to go to work. Fuck yes, I'm excited to be back. I'm going to do so many fun things with this money. I'm going to be able to buy myself something nice, or take a little vacation, or save up for something I really want. And I am grateful as fuck to be able to bring in so much cash so fast and so easy. And I know that I won't be a stripper forever. So I have to take advantage of it now. I need to enjoy it while I have it. I need to work hard while I'm still in the industry. And I need to take action towards my goals. And that starts with going to work. That starts with overcoming these negative feelings. That starts with releasing this resistance and getting excited about what I'm working for. I am not stripping just to strip. I'm stripping so that it will allow me to live my best life and to reach my big goals and to do everything that I want to do. And I am so grateful for that. So now I'm feeling refocused. I'm feeling realigned. I'm here connecting with the big picture of what I want. And I am already feeling excited about going to work. I love being a bad bitch. I love being a stripper. And I can't wait to be at work. It is going to be so much fun. And it is so. All right, take a nice deep breath here. Hope you are feeling excited and motivated to go back to work. As I always say, the energy that you are in before you go to work has such a big impact on how your night's gonna go. So if you're still not feeling super motivated, do a ritual, dance around in your house, smoke some weed, drink some wine, do whatever you need to do to get in this sexy, fun, and flirtatious energy. And if you do, I promise you, the perfect customers are literally going to effortlessly walk into your life. I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you are wanting some more tips on your stripper journey, make sure to watch my videos in my Stripper One-on-One playlist. There are a lot of great tips to help you make even more money at the club. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video.